Very good morning, girls. Today is the ninth lecture of Computer Science 5, Developing Application in Visual Basic. Yesterday, we have seen how to use print statement to print something on the screen, as well as how to print something on the form with the use of label. Basically, VB is a GUI, so label is the best way to print something, but sometimes we shall require to use print statement. It is part of Visual Basic and part of your syllabus as well. That is why we have seen the use of print statement. And yes, print statement will be very useful in case of loops. The programs which are written using loops, at that time the print statement will be very useful. Otherwise, in normal cases, we shall use label to print something on the screen. As all the controls are the main components of your syllabus and label is the first control. So, in every program, we have to use label. Today, we shall see the use of text box and command button. We shall also design some practical forms and save them. We shall also learn to add new form to our existing project. Before opening our existing project, let us learn something which is good for our mental health. In simple language, a good thought. Accept both compliments and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. Girls, basically it depends on the other person. કે એના માઇન્ડની કન્ડિશન કેવી છે કે whether they give you compliments or criticism. We should learn to accept both of them. Both are required. જેમ એક ફૂલને ઉગવા માટે એને સૂર્યનો તડકો પણ સહન કરવો પડે છે અને વરસાદનું પાણીની પણ મજા એ લઈ શકે છે જો એને ગ્રો થવું હોય તો. એટલે આપણે લોકોને જો ગ્રો થવું હોય, ડેવલપ થવું હોય, દેન આપણે પ્રોપર શેપ આપવો હોય આપણી જાતને, આપણા કેરેક્ટરને, આપણી પર્સનાલિટીને, તો આપણા માટે બંને કમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ્સ પણ જરૂરી છે અને ક્રિટિસિઝમ પણ જરૂરી છે. કે કોઈ આપણે સારું કર્યું હોય એનું સારી વાત કરે દેન ઓલ્સો વી શુડ એક્સેપ્ટ, અને ક્રિટિસિઝમ કરે, કોઈ આપણી નિંદા કરે તો આપણે એમાંથી શીખવાનું કે ભાઈ આ વસ્તુ મારી કેમ આવી રીતે મને કોઈ કીધું, મારા વિશે કેમ ટીકા કરી, નિંદા કરી, કે એમાં મારે શું સુધારો કરવાની જરૂર છે. ઓલવેઝ ટેક થિંગ્સ પોઝિટિવલી. હંમેશા કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ એમ કે આમ કેમ, તો પોઝિટિવ વસ્તુ એમાંથી લેવી, બને ત્યાં સુધી નેગેટિવિટી આપણા મગજમાં તો ન જ રાખવી, પણ બીજા માટે જે કંઈ પણ નેગેટિવિટી છે કે બીજા જે કંઈ વર્ડ્સ આપણને આપ્યા છે એમાં પણ જો કંઈ નેગેટિવિટી હોય તો એને બાદ કરી, કટ કરી અને પછી જે ઉતારવાનું છે એ જ વસ્તુ આપણી અંદર ઉતારવું. વિઝ્યુઅલ બેઝિક. Look, it is asking me to create a new project. Today we are not going to create a new project because yesterday we have already saved one project. Now I can open that project. So to open a project you don't need to open any other dialog box. From this dialog box you can open existing project or recent project. In both the tabs your project will be available, but it will be very easy to open that in recent folder. Recent je છે એમાં it is written the name of the project which we created yesterday was BCom Sem 5. The name of the folder was Bina and VB Forms. BCom Sem 5. Open. Look, the project is open. Look, here we have only one form, print name address. Now today I want to do something else. I mean I want to create one more form in which I want to make use of label, text box and command button. First of all I shall introduce you to text box and then we shall make use of command button. So in one form we shall have 3 controls, but for that I need to add one more form. I will not make changes to the existing form. એકને એક ફોર્મમાં ડિલીટ કરીને ચેન્જ નથી કરતા આપણે. We shall add one more form. Now there are 2 ways in which you can add new form to your project. Look, first of all you should know which project is open right now. BCom sem5.vbp. The name of the project is project 1 and it is saved in which file? BCom sem5.visualbasic project. Under this project we have only one form. Now I can add one more form. So first way is that right click here in the project explorer bar, right click, add. The fourth option is add. Select form, new, add form, add new form, simple form, open. So guys, a new form is added. Look, now here in the project explorer bar there are 2 forms. You can mark this. Form 1 is already there and form 2 has been added. So 2 forms are there in this project. If you want to remove this, you can right click here and remove the form. If you wish to remove, it is okay. If you don't want to save it, then say no. Say no, remove, I don't want to save this. No. So form 2 is removed. Again right click, add form. One form is added, form 2 is added. Another way to add form is from here, from the toolbar. In toolbar there is a tool, add form. Look, add form is the tool. Simply click there, just like bold, underline, click or run, save. We use different tools. In the same way, just click here on the add form and same dialog box will appear. Add new form, you just press open button. This is button. Third form is added, right? Form 3, form 3. Right click, add form, add. Fourth form is added. Look, How many forms are there? 4 forms are there. I am adding one more form. Add, open. Very simple. So now girls, in this project we have 5 forms. How many forms? 5 forms. 5 forms are there in one project. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your choice on which form you want to work. If you wish that we should remove extra forms 3, 4, 5, we can remove. And if we keep them, then in future we need not to add form. Right now I am removing. Right click karo, you will get shortcut menu. Remove form 3, don't want to save. Remove form 4, don't want to save. Remove form 5, don't want to save. Now we have only 2 forms, so that you will not be confused. Okay, now I am on form number 2. How can I know? How can I know? There are so many ways. First way is that this form is blank. In our previous form we had label. આપણે already બનાવ્યું હતું. So from the layout of the form you can come to know that this is different form. Or if the layout is same, or if you have not written anything, you have not taken any control on any of the forms, then how can you know that this is form 2? So see girls, the caption, the title of the form, here it is written form 2. Then observe the properties window. Here in properties window again form 2 is written. In the name property form 2 is written. So from everywhere you can come to know that this is another form. Look guys, I have already told you that whatever you want to do, whatever action you want to take, any properties you want to set, everything is available on Visual Basic screen, VBIDE. You don't need to remember anything. If you observe each and every part of the screen properly, you will get your answer. You will definitely get your answer. If you have any question in your mind, okay, what is open, how to do this, everything is with help. Everything is written. In properties, we have properties window, we have also help of each property. Look, last one. Suppose caption. So, set the text displayed in an object's title bar or below an object's icon. Everything is written. Here you don't know which control is this. This is tooltip, text box, frame, command button. Are you getting? Are you getting? Okay. Now in this form, what do I want to do? I want to take one label which allows you to enter your name. I want to take one text box which allows you to enter your name. I will also take one label to say that enter your name, and I shall also take one command button to write an event. First of all, let us take a label. Label લીધું છે. You can set its size, whatever size you want. The content of the label can be set by caption property. Caption property will allow you to set the content of a label. So I shall write input your name. I have written input your name, but as you can see that the font size is very small. So first thing I need to do is change the font and its size. You cannot set it by default in every label you need to set the font size 26. Okay, so this label will print what it will print. Input your name. Then I am taking one text box. Beside the label I am placing a text box. Text box works like your get command in Fox Pro and scanf function in C language. If you want to input something from the keyboard, you want the user to supply data, then text box is useful. The default content of text box is text1. So if I run the form, then text1 will be written. I don't want that. I want to remove this. So here in text box, if you want to remove the contents of text box, then the property is text property. Which property? Text property. Don't worry if you cannot remember. You can pause the video and write down, or otherwise I shall do this practice lot of times. Every day in each form we shall take label, we shall take text box. Every time I will have to remove the text from the text box. So after watching 4 to 5 videos, you can easily remember. It is just a matter of practice. I shall take one command button. I have just taken one command button. The caption of the command button is command 1. Again I am changing its font. I shall do this repeatedly, girls. Repeatedly I will have to do this. So don't worry. You will be able to easily remember this. The caption of the command button is command 1. But generally command 1 cannot be the caption. What do you understand by command 1? So here maybe you can write anything, click or exit or whatever the task associated with command button. Here I shall write click. You can write anything. We shall also change the captions of command button according to a requirement. This form will allow you to enter your name. If I click on command button, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen because I have not written any event. So nothing will happen. It will just allow you to enter your name. Fine. Now if you remember that the first property I have to set is of form property. So if the form is executed, it should be in the maximized form. એટલે આખી સ્ક્રીનમાં તમને દેખાય. So set the window stat property of your form to maximized. So if I run this form, then it will be in maximized form. Now I am running. Look, I am running this form. What happened? What happened? Did we design this form today? This is previous form. It is yesterday's form. It is form 1. I have opened form 2. Look, I am in form 2. I have prepared this form. I have designed this form properly. Even I am running this form only. Then only it is running only form 1. It is not a mistake. It is not an error. Remember, it is not an error. But what happens? By default, VB will be able to execute only one form. It will execute only one form, which is set as the default form to run. Yesterday we had only one form, so we had no problem. But now we have two forms under one project. As I told you earlier, that you can create more than one forms under one project. Project is only one. There are two forms. Try to understand. There are two forms under one project. Now when I run the form, only one form will run at a time. So VB does not know which form to run. We have to inform it that right now I am working on form number 2. So you have to execute form number 2. Same way, your project may have 10 forms. 10 forms can be there. How can you know which form to run? So you need to set the default form in project 1 menu. Now we shall make use of menu project 1. Last option is project 1 properties. I shall repeat it. Project 1 properties. One dialog box will appear. Project 1 project properties. Here in startup object, we have to select form 2. Look. Previously form 1 was selected. Now I have selected form 2. Okay. Now again let us try to run this form. Look. It is running. Fine. Now it is allowing me to enter my name. I am entering Shrutiba. I have entered Shrutiba. But look, at the font size of your label, font size of your command button and font size of your text box. Look. Now at the run time, this is run time. Now we are running the form. So it is called run time. At this time it is not possible to change the size of the font of text box. At design time I should decide that which font size should be set for my text box. So the same property, font property, can be used to set the font of a text box. Look guys, I am repeating this font property. It is common in form control, label control, command button control and text box control. We shall repeat this property every day. Every day in every lecture we need to repeat this property. So, but make sure that I have selected text box. Sometimes what happens, you have selected this label. Pachi you try to set. So you will see the font is okay, Calibri. But look here, label 1 is selected. I need to select text box. So text 1. And physically you can also view this, that text box is selected. Go to font dialog box again. Select Calibri, any font you wish to keep for your text box, and font size 26. You will not come to know whether the font of text box is changed or not. How can we know? At design time we cannot enter data. તમે જ્યારે get લખો કે scanf લખો ત્યારે થોડો data enter કરો છો. When do you enter data? When you run the form, when you run the program. In the same way, when we shall run this form, at that time it will allow me to enter my name. Now I am entering, suppose, Krupa. I have entered Krupa. Look, now the font size of label, text box and command button. If you want to print, enter data in small case, then again the font is same. Got it? We just have learned to enter data through text box. Very simple. Again close this form. Girls, still we have not added any event to this form. Look, if you open code window, it is blank. It is blank. So no code is associated with any of the controls in this form. If you wish to write, you can write. Now click event is available in all 4 controls. Atyare we have 4 controls. If you understand, form control is there, label control is there, text box control is there, and command button control is there. 4 controls are there. You can write event on any of the controls, but it is my practice to generally write event on command buttons. So now onwards, whenever I shall require to write any event, I shall write it on command button. Especially I shall take one command button to write the event. So right now I am writing only one event on the command button. Okay, what do you want to do if the command button is clicked? I want to print through the print statement that your name is this. Your name is this. So click here, you will get this code window, private sub command1 underscore click. The name of the control is command button, command1, and the event which I am going to write is click. What does it mean? It means that if the user clicks on command button while running the form, then this event will be fired. The statements which we have written inside this event will be executed if the command button is clicked at runtime. Fine? One more thing. You can use this list box to view the controls available in this form. Look, command 1, form, label 1, text 1. 4 controls are there in this form. Okay, from that we have selected command 1. And command 1 ma we have these many events. Each control will have lots of events. Okay, but we are writing only one event. Syllabus આજે પૂરો આપણે નથી કરવાનો. That is why we are writing only one event, and for next 15 lectures we shall write only one event, click event. Which event? Click event. It is the easiest event. Print. Yes, I want to print. What do I want to print? I want to print the contents of text box. The name of the text box is text 1. Name of the text box is text 1. But I want to print contents of text box. So girls, I should use one property of text box. That property is text property. Which property? Text property. As you write dot, as you type dot after the name of the control, you will get list. અહીંયા તમને list મળશે. If you do not get the list, that means the name of the control is wrong. Name of the control is wrong. So print text1 dot text. Run the form. Enter some name. Kajal. Now click on the text box, on the command button. You will see Kajal. Now you will tell me that Kajal is entered in this font and it is printed in so tiny font. It is because we have set the font of text box, but we have not set font of form control. Okay. So again we need to set the font of form control. For that we have to select form control. Here form 1 is written. Set the font of form control. One thing should be clear to you girls, that each control is individual, independent. Setting one control's property does not mean it will reflect on another control. No. Okay. So again enter a name. Shivani. Click. Shivani. Got it? Fine. So today we have not written much code. We just have designed a very good simple form in which we have taken one label, one text box and one command button. 3 controls are taken to design my form, and the form allows me to enter my name. If I click on the command button, then it will print the same name on the form. Very simple. If you want to write the definition, write down the definition. I am typing it over here. Take one label, one text box and one command button on a form. Allow the user to enter error આવશે. Enter name in the text box. Print the name on the form when user clicks on command button. Okay, this is the definition of your form, simple form. Don't worry, for next 3 to 4 sessions, that is for next 8 to 10 programs, 8 to 10 forms, we shall make use of only text box, label and command button, so that you can be easily familiar with these 3 controls. These 3 are basic controls of Visual Basic. You can pause the video, write the definition, write the code, and you can draw this if you want. Now I am saving this. Save this form. Project is already saved, so it will not ask me to save the project. I am saving the form. Again I have to select my folder, H drive, Bina, BB forms. Form 2. Form 2 છે એ જે ઇનપુટ કરવા માટે, સો input underscore nm, input underscore nm, નેમ એન્ટર કરવા માટેનું છે ફોર્મ. સેવ. It is saved input underscore nm dot frm. Done? Close we be. Now it is our story time. આજે કોઈક બહુ નાનકડી એવી સ્ટોરી કરવી પડશે, કારણ કે ટાઈમ ઘણો થઈ ગયો છે લેક્ચર લેવામાં જ. એક વખત અકબર રાજા જે છે, અકબર રાજા એ નમાઝ પડતા હતા. જંગલમાં ગયા હતા શિકાર કરવા માટે, અને રસ્તામાં નમાઝનો ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો. હી વોઝ વેરી પંક્ચ્યુઅલ, એટલે એને ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો નમાઝ પડવાનો, એટલે એમણે ત્યાં જંગલમાં જ જે છે આસન બિછાવી અને નમાઝ પડવાનું ચાલુ કર્યું. આપણને ખ્યાલ છે કે આમ નીચે નમીને લોકો નમાઝ પડતા હોય છે. હવે પાછળથી એક સ્ત્રી દોડતી એકદમ આવી, અને અકબર રાજા એનું ધ્યાન નહોતું, એનું એકદમ દોડતી એનું ધ્યાન આમ સામે હતું, અને એને ખ્યાલ નહીં કે અહીંયા વચ્ચે રસ્તામાં અકબર રાજા છે એ બેસીને નમાઝ પડે છે. એટલે એ દોડતી જાતી હતી, ને રસ્તામાં અકબર રાજા અથડાઈ ગયા. એને પાછળથી વાગ્યું, સ્ત્રી જે ગળથોલિયું ખાઈ ગઈ, અને અકબર રાજાને પણ ડિસ્ટર્બ થયું. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો કે આ કોકે મને અડફેટે લીધો છે. એટલે અકબર રાજા એકદમ ગુસ્સે થઈ ગયા કે આ તને છોકરી દેખાતું નથી કે આ હું અહીંયા બેઠો નમાઝ પડું છું, હું રાજા છું આ દેશનો, અને અહીંયા હું નમાઝ પડું છું, તને એટલી પણ કેર નથી, એટલું પણ ધ્યાન નથી. એટલે એ સ્ત્રી એકદમ ઉતાવળમાં હતી. એણે કીધું સોરી એ કે મહારાજ મારું ધ્યાન નહોતું, એ કે મને ખ્યાલ ન રહ્યો, કારણ કે હું વર્ષો પછી મારા પ્રિયતમને, મારા પતિદેવને મળી રહી છું. એ વર્ષો પછી બીજા દેશમાંથી આવી રહ્યા છે એવા મને ખબર મળ્યા છે, એટલે હું સામે દોડતી એમને મળવા માટે જાઉં છું અત્યારે. એટલે મને એટલો બધો હરખ હતો, મારું ધ્યાન, મારું કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન 100% એમાં જ હતું કે હું ક્યારે દોડીને જાઉં ને જલ્દી એમની સાથે મારો મેળાપ થઈ જાય. એટલે મારી ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ. રાજા તો ગુસ્સામાં હતા. એમ ચાલે છે કે છોકરી એમ તારું ધ્યાન ન રહી, એવું તારું કેવું ધ્યાન. એટલે એ છોકરી જે હતી સ્ત્રી, એણે કીધું અકબર રાજાને કે મહારાજ માફ કરજો, પણ હું તો મારા એવા પ્રિયતમને મળવા જઈ રહી છું કે જે સામાન્ય માણસ છે, કોમન મેન. તો પણ મારું ધ્યાન ન રહ્યું કે અકબર જેવા મોટા રાજા છે, મહારાજ છે, એ અહીંયા વચ્ચે નમાઝ પડી રહ્યા છે. કારણ કે મારું ફોકસ, મારું કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન એક જ જગ્યાએ હતું. કઈ જગ્યાએ? તો કે મારા પ્રિયતમને, મારા પતિને મળવામાં. આજુબાજુનું મને કાંઈ ધ્યાન જ ન રહ્યું કે આજુબાજુ શું થઈ રહ્યું છે, મને રસ્તામાં શું આવે છે, મને શું તકલીફ પડે છે, કાંઈ જ ધ્યાન નહોતું. મારો મોટિવ, મારો ગોલ એક જ હતો કે હું મારા પ્રિયતમને મળું. એટલે મને બીજું કાંઈ જ ન દેખાણું. પણ અને એ તો એક સામાન્ય માણસ છે, એને હું વર્ષો પછી મળી રહ્યું છું, મેં એમને ઓલરેડી જોયા પણ છે. પણ મહારાજ, તમે તો આટલા મોટા પરમાત્માને બંદગી કરી રહ્યા હતા. તમે કોને પ્રાર્થના કરતા હતા? ઉપરવાળાને, કે જે બધાનો પ્રિયતમ છે, આ બધાનો સર્વસ્વ છે, ફાધર ઓફ ધ વર્લ્ડ, આપણા બધાના પરમ પિતાની તમે બંદગી કરી રહ્યા હતા. તો તમને કેમ એવું ડિસ્ટર્બ થઈ ગયા? કોઈ સામાન્ય સ્ત્રી તમને કેમ ડિસ્ટર્બ કરી નાખે? દેટ મીન્સ કે તમારું 100% કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન તમારું જે હતું એ નમાઝ પડવામાં નહોતું. જ્યારે આપણે કોઈ એવું કામ કરીએ છીએ કે જે આપણું અલ્ટિમેટ ગોલ અચીવ કરી આપે છે, તો એટ દેટ ટાઈમ 100% ફોકસ, 100% કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન એમાં જ આપવું જોઈએ. પછી આજુબાજુમાં દુનિયામાં ગમે તે થઈ જાય, ઇટ શુડ નોટ મેટર. એનાથી કાંઈ આપણને ફરક પડવો જોઈએ નહીં. અકબર રાજાએ તરત જ કાન પકડી લીધા કે હા, તારી વાત એકદમ સાચી છે, આઈ એક્સેપ્ટ માય મિસ્ટેક. કે જો તું સામાન્ય માણસને મળવા માટે પણ એમાં લીન થઈ જતી હો, બધી શાનબાન ભૂલી જતી હો, તો હું તો પરમપિતા ભગવાન ગોડ પરમાત્માની બંદગી કરી રહ્યો હતું, તો તો હું કેમ ડિસ્ટર્બ થઈ ગયો, હા હું પાછો ગુસ્સે પણ થઈ ગયો, એ મારી ભૂલ હતી અને હવેથી હું ધ્યાન રાખીશ. સો ગર્લ્સ, ઇટ્સ ઇનફ ફોર ટુડે. We shall meet in the next week. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourself, have very nice weekend. Goodbye.